All right, YouTube. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime. We're cooking some chicken wings, all right? Here's my ingredients. It's very simple, all right? I got some chicken, because you got to have some chicken for your chicken wings, right? Later on, we're going to use some yum yum sauce, some apple cider vinegar, and what is this? This is Obey, man. It's the Holy Grail right here. All right, we're also going to use some good old SPG, all right? So I'm not going to do anything to my chicken to begin with, but throw it on my bullseye, all right? This bullseye here, it's a whopping 250 degrees. It's not even hot, man. 250 degrees is nothing, all right? So I throw them on there. We're going to scoot them around just a little bit. Literally, these things just came out the package. I thawed them up. I stuck them on the grill, all right? Look at that one. That one looks gumpy as hell. That's all right. It's going to be okay. All right? Get them on there. Get them situated. Who says cast iron grill grates everything's going to stick to when it's hot? Well, we'll see. They look pretty good so far, you know? So they're all situated. Nothing's really touching anymore right now. Look at that. Now we're going to hit it with our SPG. All right? Very simple. This is easy stuff, folks. All right. Dude, that's some SPG. Oh, I missed one. That's some SPG. Oh, missed another one. There you go, folks. Listen, we're going to let that sit in there at 250 degrees for like 10 minutes. We're going to come back. We're going to flip it over. We're going to go to town again with our SPG. All right? What's up? We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. You know, it hasn't been but 10 minutes, but we're going to check this out anyways, all right? Look at them. They're going. They're still rawer than hell, all right? We're going to see how hard these are to flip over. We're just going to flip them. If it lets us. All right? Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Guys, now that they're flipped, we're going to hit them with just a little bit more SPG, all right? Why? Because this is goodness. All right, just a little bit this time. All right, not a lot. That's a little bit. Now we're going to crank up that heat. All right, we got to give it a little bit more heat. So we're going to make this 325, and we're going to let it go on up to 325. All right, guys, we'll be right back. We're going to sit there and let it sit for probably another 10, 15 minutes this time. We'll be back. All right, YouTube, we're back. We're going to start with our sauce just real quick, right? Those wings are about to come out, and we're about to sauce them, all right? We're going to add our apple cider vinegar to this guy. It probably is not going to mix in there very well, but we're going to try. You know, the idea is that if you add your liquids together, they come out a little bit easier of the container that they're in, all right? So that's nice and watery now, all right? Oh, my goodness, and it looks good, too. It tastes good, too, all right? It's sweet, just like me. All right, we're going to fix to get these out. Let's see what they look like. Oh, my goodness gracious. All right, what we're also going to do is we're going to crank this up. And we're going to go to 500 degrees now. All right. So, here we go. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Here. Let me just show you what we're working with. Look at that guy. Oh, my God. That looks good. Look at this. Look at this guy here. Hold on. What bow? That looks gravy, man. That looks real good. We're at 500 degrees. This thing's going to heat up to. You're about to see something amazing, folks. Amazing. We're going to transform these wings into goodness. Wow. Look at that. Nothing stuck, right? Why? Because cast iron don't have to be hard to cook with. The only thing hard about cast iron to cook with is you. All right, so let's move this over. Let's look at those wings for a second. I need to go get my gloves on. All right, sports fans, there's no way this chicken's all the way done. That's why we put our gloves on, all right? So here we go. The chicken looking good, though. Look at that. All right, it don't look bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our yum yum sauce and our apple cider vinegar, and we're going to pour that on there, son. All right? And you got two choices. Either you can try to spin it, right? Which sometimes will work, sometimes won't. All right? Or you get in there with your hands. All right? Just get them all nice and good. Good. Look at that. Don't those look good? I think those look good. All right? Now we're going to have to grab our, oh, look at this. This is Obey sauce. If you've been in this channel for half a minute, you know Obey is king, right? We're not from Maryland, but Obey sauce. Oh, my God. It's not Obey seasoning. It's a sauce, all right? Because I said so. Look at this. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh, my goodness. You know, you could probably eat this wing raw with just Obey sauce on it, but don't do that. Don't do that. Someone's gonna report me. They're gonna say, you're trying to get us sick. Well, if you're stupid, then go ahead and eat your wings with just Obey sauce. Don't cook them. All right, look at that. That's a lot of Obey. No, not really. You know what that is? That's a good Obey. Actually, if it was just for me, I would have put more, but my kids are going to snack on these too, and they don't like it as much as I do. All right. We're going to let these sit out just for a second. Start to absorb. They cool down a little bit. That's fine. They're hotter than the dickens. All right. We're going to let them cool down. We're waiting for our grill to get up there. It's at about 432 degrees right now. I wanted that around 500. All right. So we're just going to give it a minute, and then we're going to throw these in there. We'll be right back. All right, YouTube. I don't know if you can see this over here, but the bullseye is at 505 degrees, 3 degrees, 505 right now. For some reason, it's overshooting. That's all right. I don't care. These things are still steaming, but it's time to put them back on. And we're not going to leave them on for very long. All right, we're going to shut the lid, give it a little bit of time. We're going to check on them. We're going to look at the color. We might flip them around a little bit. And then we're going to call it, we're going to eat, son, because I'm hungry. But the main thing here is we want these sauces to kind of set in, maybe burn on a little bit, if you will. We want it to look good, all right? Look at that, right down in there. Just like before, sports fans, we got to spread them out, all right? You don't want your meat touching inside any grill, oven, nothing. Just spread them out just a little bit. Get them off of each other. These are chicken wings, man. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at those wings. Are we going to shut that lid? Guys, listen. It's like 11:50, all right? We're eating like 9-10 minutes, all right? We're going to give that some time. We're going to flip it in about 5 minutes. And we're going to eat, son. Oh, we're going to eat. You know, I was thinking, there's a trend. It is. It's 0 to 400, right? I just said 0 to 500 because I'm better than the trend. What's up? We'll be right back. All right, YouTube. It's been a little under 5 minutes. Come look at this. Look at that. Oh, my God. They're looking good. All right. Let's get them flipped. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at those. Look at those. Guys, if you're fat like me, you know this means goodness here. You know, if you forget to flip one of them, it's okay. It is okay. At this heat with the lid covered, they're cooking anyways. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're going to close that lid. We're going to give it a solid another 5 minutes, and then we're going to snack, all right? Because for me, I have 4 plates out, right? Which means I'm only going to get 5 of these things. What? So it's just a little snack, a little lunchtime snack, all right? Maybe I make some macaroni and cheese with it or something. We'll be right back. Give us 5 more minutes, all right? Guys, I'm hungry. Look what time it is, son. It's time to eat. All right, let's get these out of here. Oh my goodness gracious, they looking good too. Guys, That is a nice looking wing. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. All right. That's baby girl's plate. Look at that. Look at that, son. That's a good looking wing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, when you're fat like me, you know you gotta have some wings, son. These things are looking good too. Yes. Oh, that's my boys. That's my boys. Oh, this one's mine. All right. I got the meat. Look at that. Guys, like any other meat, you gotta let it rest for a couple minutes. Stick it out there in the sun. Let it do its business. Let this grill cook off as you cut off the power. Listen, if you look at a wing that looks like that, right? And I gotta tell you it's gonna taste good, you got problems. Turn to like Betty Crocker's channel. You need all the help you can get. You're on the wrong place. But I tell you what, if you can look at that, then you know that's a good piece of meat. You like, comment, and subscribe, brother, because I want to keep you around. All right? Guys, you guys have fun. I'm out of here.